So hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we will discuss about one of the most important interview question, how to validate email address by using a regular expression, or that one is called as regex. Okay, so before going for the discussion, I will request all of you, if you guys still now not subscribed my channel, so please subscribe it. If in case you have any doubt, please add a comment in the comment section so that I will get your doubt and I will clarify it. Okay, so without wasting your time, so we will go for the how to validate IP address. So if you are using the regex, so first thing is you have to import the regex module. So how will you import it? So import re, so means import re. We are importing one module. So then we are giving email equals to input. So enter a email address, address. Okay, so after that I will go for the pattern, pattern. So pattern things, before going for the writing the pattern, so how will design the pattern, that one is most important. That one I will explain now. So it is very easiest way I will explain you guys. So please concentrate on it. Suppose we are writing any email address. Suppose we are writing Facebook at the rate gmail.com. Another guy, it will write 1 2 3 this capital S, Facebook at the rate yahoo.com. Okay, so another guy will write Facebook underscores something at the rate and yahoo.in or something like that. Any email address. So it is taking the small register, capital register, and this part means before at the rate we can look it. So it will is consisting of underscores, this digit and capital letters and small letters. And also if you wants to another email address, I will write another email address, write so Deepak.Naik. So dot also it is supporting. So how will make this pattern? So first of all we just go for the string. So this backward W. So backward W means, so I written all the things. Okay, so backward W means any word character. It may be A to Z means small a to Z, capital A to Z means capital A to Z, 0 to 9 means it will support 0 to 9. So it means any word character. That slash W means any word character. So that's whatever the word character we are taking, A to Z, then 0 to 9. So after that you guys can know that it is supporting underscores as well as dot also. So that's why I given the underscores and dots, I will close it. So that means our first part it is covered. So this pattern it will cover any type of email address. I written these 4 types, it will cover here. Okay, so after that we will go for this at the rate. So that's why we are just plus symbol we are giving and we are providing at the rate and we are ending the square bracket. So then we are going for the this at the rate, then we are going for the Gmail and IO or something like that. So how will we define that one? So that's why similar way any word character slash W we are providing, then we are adding the plus symbol, because after that is dot symbol is there. So that's why we are giving the plus, then we are adding the we are adding this dot in the square bracket, then again also we are giving this backward W. So why? Because we can see that it is .com. So last three letters or 2 letters, like whatever the email address we are till now we know. So that one last 3 character or last digit, it may be 3 character .com .in, that one we know. So that's why we are giving 2 to 3. Okay, 2 to 3. It means our pattern totally it is covered. It will support, it will validate any type of email address. Okay, then we will use if array dot full match. Okay, so array dot full match and pattern pattern, then we are giving email. Okay, so what is full match? So if you want to know the full match, so I have written here. Okay, so whatever full match means whatever given output we are providing, if it is same, if you are giving 15, if our string contains only the 15, so that's why it will match, means whatever string we are providing, it's full match, means we can use the full match option to match a pattern to all of target string. Okay, so complete string should be matched according to given pattern. So whatever string, means whatever email address will be provided, the pattern should be matched exactly. If it will slightly change, it will be give the error message. Okay, it is not match like that. Okay, so this one, so this one, these things we can Google it, or we can take the definition from here. Okay, so I will just remove here, then I will just simply will write. Okay, simply will write print valid email address and else print invalid address. Okay, so it's completed. If okay, then I will run and I will check it. Okay, so I'll just run. Okay, suppose anything Facebook @gmail.com. so sorry, so pattern pattern okay, sorry, I did small mistake here, REN. Again, if I will run it, if again I will run it. Okay, so Facebook @gmail.com. so you can see it is a valid email address. If I will again, I will provided any address, something I provided, and I will provided something .com, so it will provided the valid email address. Okay, so anything, so it will be valid. If I will not matching the pattern, like I will provide any invalid things, you can see, observe it. Okay, so I will mention something like Deepak123.com only I mention, so it will giving us invalid address. Okay, so then we'll go for the another way we'll discuss the search function. By using the search function, we'll validate it. Okay, so only we need to change the pattern. So pattern, it will be search function means it will search the pattern. So this symbol means it will check the pattern to starting with this pattern, or it will check the string, it will starting with this pattern or not. So similar way, we are giving A to Z. Okay, then A to Z, then 0 to 9. Okay, then we just adding the plus symbol, and we are providing this slash dot and underscore, because last video I was explaining you. So this email address, the first part is consist of these letters as well as dot and underscores. Then I will provided the question mark. Okay, so question mark means it will be one or two times it will be asked, we can use. Then we have to Z, and we are providing A to Z 0 to 9, and we'll closing this one. Then we are giving the plus symbol, and we are giving the @ then here. Okay, so then we are giving this backward symbol, then plus, then dot. Okay, then dot, then slash, then W, then we are giving 2 and 3. So we are ending this one, then we are providing this. Okay, so this is the Okay, so we are given this pattern. So this pattern means, so this symbol means it will check whether our email address, it will start with this one or not. So after that, whatever I discussed in the previous video, so see previous previous example. So that whatever I described to you guys, so it is same only. So just we need to define like that, so that our full search function, it will be work as expected. So this one will be check the string from the starting, and this one will, this symbol is string, whether it will be the .com or .when, it will check. So this symbol. Okay, so then only we need to just write re.search, SEARCH. So what is the search function it will do? So I will explain here. So search function means we can use search function to search the given pattern in the target team. So here means it will search this given pattern into the this email address into this pattern. Okay, so if this available, it returns the match object which represents first occurrence of the match. So it will give you the results like first occurrence. If one string it's matched three things match, three similar things match, so it will give the result as the first occurrence. Okay, if it will if this match is not available, then it returns none. Okay, so then we will run and we will check. Okay, so if I will run here, so deepak@gmail.com, so it is coming as a valid email address. If I will give anything invalid email address, so it will give the result something deepak@.com, so it will give the email address. Okay, invalid email address. So hope you guys are happy with my explanation. So if in case you have any doubts, so please add into a comment section, so that I will go through your comments and I will rectify your doubts. Okay, so keep watching. So this is the very important interview questions, because you guys many times you are facing these interviews, and it is very difficult to make this pattern. So in this video I explain very clearly and very easiest way, so that it will be helpful to you in day-to-day activities. Okay, so thanks all. So you guys like and share and subscribe my channel. So thanks again.